It's WWDC time, which means big updates for Apple's Watch, TV, Mac, and iPhone platforms. A big focus this year is tying them all together through something it calls continuity. So there's now a universal clipboard. Copy something onto your desktop, and it's available in your phone's clipboard. No more emailing notes and addresses to yourself. And Apple Pay is making the jump from the phone to the desktop.
So now, when you're shopping online, you'll have a Pay with Apple Pay button available to you. When you click it, a sheet comes down and actually prompts you to securely authenticate your purchase using continuity right on your iPhone with Touch ID. And of course, this works with your Apple Watch as well, so you can authenticate with just a tap on your wrist.
Also big on the continuity front, iCloud Drive, which makes the contents of your entire desktop from your Mac available across other OS devices.
But you know, for 30 years now, we've all learned to do the work, the things that we're working on right now. Well, where do we put those? So often it's on our desktop. So let's make our desktop available on our other Macs as well, and have those files be available to us on the go on our iPhones. Now you can.
Other big news from Apple? Huge improvements on the Apple Watch and faster app launch times, background refresh of your favorite apps, and more sophisticated watch faces. The watch will now also support an SOS function that will allow you to call emergency services by pressing the side button for 3 seconds. Also coming to the Apple Watch, a deep breathing app to help you deal with all the Apple excitement. Hey, who's there?
My name is Siri.
Ah, Siri. Yes, how could I almost forget? Siri is now on Mac OS.
Hi, it's me. It sure is great to be on the Mac. How about a demo?
How do you like being on a Mac?
Pretty awesome. Lots of space, aluminum unibody walls, and no complaint about the lack of windows.
Developers are getting access to a lot of these features, including Apple Maps, Messages, and you guessed it,
Siri, huge part of the user experience in iOS. Now, Siri services over 2 billion requests a week from customers. And there's so many things that you can ask Siri. But now in iOS 10, Siri's going to be able to do so much more because we're opening up Siri to developers.
Forgot my iPhone password again. Now I'll never be able to watch my Game of Thrones. Luckily, Apple is coming to my rescue with single sign-on. It's a universal code authentication feature for all pay TV video channels on the Apple TV. Auto unlock is another feature that will save users the pain of remembering yet another password by allowing users to unlock their Mac using Apple Watch.
For many of us, we already have a device securely authenticated to our wrists that already knows who we are and could tell our Mac. And so then, when we opened our Mac, it could be a little bit more like this. And we're in. It's that simple.
Developers have access to many of these features now. As for the rest of us, we'll just have to wait until the fall.